Hey guys, fire alarm review again. This time we have an older one, like a lot older. It's a little older than my 4251 that I just showed, but in a previous video. But this one is a Simplex standard time recorder, 4027 single stroke bell. This is a 6-inch gong, I believe. And it's 120 volts, 0.148 amps, 17.8 watts, and looks like a cycle of 60. And and this type, it's 402762 is the type of bell it is. So it's single stroke, and turn it around for you guys. Here's the back. It actually has this external mounting plate that you mount to the wall first and then do the wiring. I'll actually show you that a little bit. Alright, so basically it has like a regular plug here, like for, like an outlet kind of plug. And then here you're going to do the wiring from here. And here is the actual plug that plugs in. Technically, what I've done before also is just plug it in straight to a power supply and dings. So anyway, let me show you what the mechanism on this one looks like. So this is where the little thing, the striker is gonna hit it to make a ring. I don't know if you can really see that, but yeah. Alright, yeah. That pretty much sums it up today. Thanks for watching.